Friends, write whether the following statements true or false. Point 0, 3 lies on the graph. So now you have to tell true or false. How to check, sir? 0, 3 lies on the straight line. So now you have to substitute that. Straight line is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. In that, the point 0, 3, this point you have to substitute. When you substitute this point, here 3 into 0, 4 into 3, how much? 12. 3 into 0 is 0, 12. So yes, it is true. It is true or false? This is true, sir. Because when you substitute the point 0, 3, 0 into 3 is 0, 3 into 4 is 12, this side I also get. So satisfied. The graph linear pass through 0, 7. Now you can substitute. The place of x is 0, place of y 7. If you put 0, this is 0. When you put 7, 2 sevens are 14, but I have here 7. No sir, this is false. 0, 7 is not a point on the graph. Next one, coordinates, they put x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So you have to find the coordinate points of the table. Is it solution? Now you put 0, 2. Yes, sir. 0, x is 0, y 2, minus 2 plus 2 0. So this is correct. 1, 3. If you put here 1, here 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2 0. Yeah, it's also correct. And 2, minus 4. Yeah, 2, minus 4, minus 2 plus 2 0. Yeah, this is also correct. 3, minus 5. 3 minus or minus 5 is plus 5. No, sir, this is wrong. 4, 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 0. Yeah, is correct. So what final result you have to tell? The coordinates of the points in the table represent sum of the solution of the equation x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the points satisfied. What about 3? If you put here x equal to 3, y should be plus 5, not minus 1. So this is wrong. Okay. So final result is false. Okay. Next question. Every point on the graph of linear equation in two variable does not represent a solution of the linear equation. I didn't understand the question. Read again. Every point on the graph of linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation means something ax plus by plus c. This is called linear equation. There is no x square, y square and all. Linear equation is a straight line. Okay, linear equation is a straight line. So two variable. This is your standard format. Does not represent a solution of linear equation. No, it represents the solution. So they said does not represent the solution of the linear equation. No, sir. It represents the solution of linear equation. So false. The graph of every linear equation, two variable, need not be a line. Wow, who said need not be a line? It is a line only. So false. Understand? Only first one is true. All other things are false.